Mabuhay everyone, this is our third video on Filipino American history, and let us get to know more about the man Manong Larry Itliong and the Delano Grape Strike. So during the late 1960s, Filipino farm workers in California, they were living under unfair wages and labor conditions, and Manong Larry Itliong, he wasn't having any of it. So as a Filipino American labor leader, he organized a strike of Filipino workers in the Delano area. The strike started on September 8, 1965 by the Agricultural Workers Organizing Committee. It is a predominantly Filipino labor organization and was soon joined by the Mexican American workers. So the two groups, they joined forces to become the United Farm Workers Union, or the UFW. The strike, it lasted over 5 years and was the first successful farm workers union in the United States. Itliong and the UFW set a precedent for the labor rights movement and won numerous benefits for workers, including better wages, healthcare, and pension plans. O diba? Amazing.